Okay, tubers. It's what is it? The June 7th, I guess. And I guess it's time for an update. Um, I've been getting blood for my leukemia. I've been getting it probably once a month for a while, and then it went to every couple weeks. And lately it's been every week. And what's happening is the antibodies in my blood are starting to become immune to the blood transfusions, and they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing. It's rejecting the blood. So, this leukemia, it's basically killing me. So, slowly but surely killing me. It's, the doctor warned me almost a year ago that this is going to happen, that it might take a while, but pretty soon the transfusions will not be doing any good, and that after that, then he recommended hospice. I kind of was blown away with that. But, well, anyhow, leukemia is real nasty. Anyone who works with solvents, chemicals of any type, do me a favor and wear protective gloves. I've been told by numerous doctors that because of stuff like that, cleaning parts with solvents, gasoline, without protective hand gear, that it just, my hands absorbed it into my system. And that's basically what's doing me in. I worked for a wire and cable company. I used to be the guy that would paint the little stripe on the wire, like a green wire with a, say, a black stripe. I'm the guy that ran this through a machine that would put the black stripe on, and used to use MEK as a ink thinner to be able to go through this machine. And that stuff is real nasty, and never really thought of it. Never had eye protection, respirator, gloves, anything. And my stupidity was my downfall. The companies that I worked for, they never, required us to. This is back in early 80s, so, but, so I don't know how much more time I have. I love all the prayers and the well wishes that people send me. I don't know if any of my viewers are not watching Little Doggy. I highly recommend. I mean, if you're having a bad day, just depressed or whatever, I recommend watching Little Doggy Heal. He has a view of life that I think everybody should. Uh, it's just go out and help somebody that they might not ask you for help, but if you see that they're having a struggling hard time, they're hungry, whatever, buy them a cheeseburger. It's $1 at McDonald's. So there's, I want to thank all of you for watching, subscribing. I don't know how many more videos I will be making. I'll be watching everybody's videos. I might not comment on everyone's videos, but I'll be watching them and, give me a thumbs up, whatever. But, okay, tubers. Till next time, I'll try and make a little update videos from time to time, but who knows? I just not into it anymore. I don't know. I don't know what's going on really. Depression. I have a doctor's appointment on Monday. I'm kind of scared of what he'll tell me. I don't know why. I mean, I'm not afraid of dying. I know it's going to happen. But we'll see. All right. Bye, tubers.